Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick here, and guess what day it is? It's day 20. Day 20 of Vlogmas. Woohoo! I can't believe we're at day 20. I've got the blinky lights on now because we're getting into the home stretch. We're really celebrating. So here we are talking about day 20, and if you haven't followed all of my Vlogmas videos, let me just catch you up. Basically what I'm doing is giving you an idea every single day for a different really cute crochet garland for Christmas or just winter in general. So I've I have found 20 ideas, and actually I've got 5 more waiting to share with you. So today's idea comes again from this goldenlucycrafts.com. Really excited about this Vlogmas because I've discovered this new designer whose ideas are super cute and I just really like a lot. So this one is just a different variety of all different kinds of little characters on her garland. We've got a reindeer. We've got a couple different kinds of Christmas trees. We've got this adorable snowman with a big red heart. We've got a Santa Claus and a unicorn. Like, how fun is that? It's almost like there is a little different character for just about every character in the household, you know? Like maybe you've got one little guy who's really interested in reindeer and another one who's a little bit more like the snowman character, or maybe dad's like the Santa Claus and mom's like the unicorn. I don't know. They're just kind of fun and super personal, filled with personality, and I just think they're really cute. So if you haven't checked out goldenlucycrafts.com, maybe check her out. You might like her ideas. I know I've enjoyed finding them. And yeah, maybe you might want to give this one a try. It's really cute. And then again, maybe it's not for you at all. Maybe it's not your style, and that's okay too. They can't all be winners. You can please some of the people some of the time, and all of the people none of the time. Very important lesson to learn in life. But again, if this isn't one for you, maybe check out the link in the description box below. Click on that. It's going to take you to my Pinterest board where we have all of these ideas for Vlogmas garlands, and maybe you'll find one that's more your style. All right, everybody, I hope to see you tomorrow for day 21. And until then, have a great day. Bye-bye.